Guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see, I have a bare face. I am feeling a little bit motivated to take some pictures today. I just hit 30 weeks today, so I kind of want to get ready and take a few bump pictures. I like to document my whole pregnancy by taking pictures because then we can always look back and see my body, how it grows and everything. And I just think it'll be so cute to show him one day. I know he's going to be a boy, so he's going to be like, I don't want to see all these pictures, but I think it'll be amazing to look back on other pregnancies to compare to this one, and it's just fun. Today, I'm just going to do a fall makeup look. It is middle of November now, so, I don't know. We'll see. So, I have no idea what kind of makeup look I want to do at all. I kind of just want to wing it and go from there. My lashes are looking really bad. Like, this eye is a little bit fuller than this eye. So, I'm going to have to, like, somewhat make that work. I don't know. So, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go in first with my foundation. And you guys always see me use this foundation. It is the NARS Soft Matte Foundation. I absolutely love it. And it is kind of not my color anymore. Like, I'm a lot more fair. But we're going to make it work. So, I'm just going to take this on a beauty blender and just start working this right into my skin. As you guys can see, it's a little bit more yellow than my skin. We fake it till we make it. It looks really bad in this lighting. Wow. I honestly feel like I'm just getting so pale because I'm never in the sun at all. And normally, pre-pregnant Lexi, I was always so tan. And even when I bought this shade, I actually thought this shade was going to be light for me because I am not used to this, like, this shade at all. Like, I am normally very dark. Like, let me show you guys my original, like, my normal color. So, like, look at this color compared to what I am now. Like, that is so dark. Not anymore. I have not seen the sun. I feel like Casper the Friendly Ghost. Okay, so I want to kind of sit down, just chat about what's going on in my life. Kind of just talk about like my plan for maternity leave, stuff like that. So, while I'm doing that, I'm going to go in with some concealer. This is the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the shade Medium Sand. And I just like to put this a little bit right under my eyes. My eyes are a little bit irritated right now. Like, they're a little bit red. And I think it's mainly due to just the way that I slept. Like, I didn't really sleep that great. I was up all night tossing and turning. That is like a new thing for me. I'm always up going pee and kind of can never get comfortable anymore. So I feel like in the morning my eyes are a little bit still red and they kind of look irritated. And also, sorry for the background. I'm in my room and this is my husband's closet, which is not the most aesthetically pleasing thing ever, but it's all I got right now. So I'm in the process of completely, like, organizing my house. I have officially hit the nesting mode. Like, I want everything to be clean and organized before the baby gets here. And I just feel like I got a lot of work to do. I just moved my vanity into our bedroom. That's why his clothes are behind me. The vanity used to be in like my closet room, but I figured, I don't know if this was smart or not, but I figured once the baby gets here and say that he's still sleeping, I can kind of get ready while he's still sleeping in the same room, so I won't have to like disturb him or anything. So that's kind of why I wanted to put this in here. And I tested it out. Like, I can get ready like pretty much in the dark because I only had like this little light and it doesn't really cast off a lot of light into the bedroom, so it won't wake him up at all, but it will give me enough light just to like do what I gotta do. Right now I'm just setting that with some powder. But yeah, so anyways, I moved that around and I kind of just wanted to start now, so while I have like 10 or so weeks left. it's so crazy to think that I am on like the final countdown. Like yes, I could possibly go the full 10 weeks, or I could go in 7 weeks, or I can go in 8 weeks, or you know what I mean? Like it's just kind of like whenever baby boy wants to come, he can come hopefully after 37 weeks. But so I went to my doctor appointment on Thursday, and they told me that I am mildly anemic, which I'm not really even sure like what that means or like anything. Basically, I'm just on iron supplements now, and hopefully that helps. They really were not worried about it at all, but it's just something that I really didn't want to have to deal with. I kind of just wanted to have an easy, smooth sailing pregnancy, but I still am. It's not like it's the end of the world or anything, but yeah, I just am kind of upset that I made it this far and now stuff is happening. But my sister-in-law, she's also pregnant, and we're 2 days apart, and we go to the same doctors and everything, and they told her, which I'm sure they're going to end up telling me, because like I said, we go to the same doctors. They told her that they want us to quarantine at 37 weeks because they're going to try to induce people at 39 weeks just so they can be safe that everyone kind of quarantined and stuff like that. So that's kind of exciting because I don't want to be like huge being pregnant. You know, like I want him to be healthy, and I want to, you know what I mean? Like I don't want to induce him early, but I also am so excited for him to be here. Like I just want him here right now. So yeah, so that is pretty exciting. So that would take me up until New Year's. So I was already planning on not going back after New Year's. Not that I was planning on it, I kind of just already had that in my mind because I'm not really sure how well I will do with going back to work after then, because I'm going to be huge. I'm going to be 37 weeks. I'm going to be exhausted. I'm going to have a lot of stuff to finalize and get done in between that time period. Going in for the eyes while I continue talking. Going in with the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm just going to work in like these neutral tones. Okay, so sorry if it's a different angle. My camera just died, so I had to charge it just for a little bit. But the only thing I did was just add some lip gloss. It's the Plumping Gloss from Too Faced. Basically, now that we're going to jump into the eyes, I'm just going to go in with some neutral shades. I'm going to go in with apply this one and just work like in this tones. So first I'm just going to take it and work it like on the crease. Let me get you guys a little zoom. So anyways, what I was saying is with my maternity leave, I think I'm going to work up until New Year's Eve. And then after like that break, then I just probably will not come back. Or if I do come back, it's going to be very sporadically. I'm not probably going to take my full book just because I see a lot of people a day, so I don't want to overdo it and then just be exhausted. And I kind of want to be able to get my house kind of in order for his arrival. So basically all I'm doing is just working this crease shade all the way around, working it into my crease and then down below my lash line. And like I said before, I have literally no clue what I'm doing. I'm just kind of working with some colors. I don't have a set makeup look in mind. So basically whenever I do eyeshadow, I kind of just stay within these tones. And just because it looks good with my eye color and it's more natural. So I'm just working this and getting it to the pigmentation that I want. And then I kind of want to do a smoky eyeshadow liner just to kind of hide this eyelash. So we shall see. I'm feeling spunky today and I have no idea why, but I kind of want to make a TikTok, and I haven't made TikToks in a hot minute since the beginning of quarantine. So we shall see how that goes. I might not even do it because it's just not my thing anymore, but we'll see. There's always these really cute pregnant posts that I see where they're dancing, and I just kind of want to fit in. I didn't want to do it. I'm just going in with like this burgundy shade just to kind of give me some depth in the eyes. Like I said, look how much better this eye looks because of all my eyelashes. I hate myself for not having anything. And my camera's dying again. I only charged it for like a few minutes. So I'm going to have to pop back in after I charge it for a little while. So sorry if the lighting keeps changing, but I will be back. Okay, so I just added in some shimmer to the crease. Nothing too crazy. So now I'm going to take this little small brush and I'm going to go in with a dark brown shade. And I'm going to start lining my top eyeliner. Like if you were to put on a wing liner, I'm going to do that just with shadow. Taking a little smudger brush, I'm going to go in with that same dark brown shade and work it on the bottom lash line. This is going to help pull in that wing and kind of blend everything all together. Now going in with a black shade, I'm going to work this at the very base of the eyeliner. This is just going to build up any depth that we want. Going in with mascara, I never, ever, 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 ever would use mascara on lash extensions, but we gotta fix this eye because it is not cute. I don't even know if I can even salvage it. Yeah, no, I can't. I don't know what's going on. It's so bad. Okay, now to finish the face, I'm going to go in with some bronzer. I'm going to go in with my MARC JACOBS bronzer. It is in the shade Tantastic. It is such a big pan. I actually really like this bronzer as like a contour. So I'm going to go in with this like round dome brush. And I'm going to work this in just on like contour spots, not to actually like bronze my face. So right at like the hollows of my cheeks. Then I'm going to go in with a bigger, fluffier brush, going in with my Clinique Bronzer. This one has a little bit of shimmers in it. And I'm just like literally bronzing everywhere because that's how I do it. And then to finish it off, I'm going to go in with some lip gloss. And this is in the shade Stone. This is the finished look. Super fall, light and glowy. It's kind of like my vibe lately. Guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this little makeup tutorial. I haven't done makeup tutorials on my channel in a while, so I wanted to just give you guys a little rundown of my new kind of like makeup routine that I've been doing. Some days I go nothing on the eyes and do the same exact thing for the face, or sometimes I want to like play it up with the eyeshadow a little bit. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.